welcome to my Sunday From. Today I'm going to be making tacos, and the first thing that you're going to need is this soup right here. It's cheddar potato soup I have left over, and I have these pork rinds, they're microwave pork rinds, and a can of refried beans.
And a taco shell. It doesn't matter soft or hard.
Inside of these, I'm both going to put pepper and garlic powder, so both of them are going to use that. And for the beans, I'm just going to use Creole seasoning and brown sugar bourbon seasoning. And so for the soup, I'm going to put these in here: garlic butter, Cajun seasoning, jerk seasoning, and minced onion. So we can go ahead and put them in now. So I'll just go ahead and do that. So to the pot, I'm just gonna add like this much onion, or maybe more onion, and then I'll put the butter, and Cajun seasonings. And then I'll put the garlic and peppers. And to the beans, I'm going to add water, and I'm going to put in black pepper, garlic powder, I'm going to use this brown sugar, bourbon seasoning, and the Creole seasoning. You can see the water is boiling up. And then once it starts going to boil up, you can add the soup, mix it, mix it up. So just add, when it's just about ready, you can add the jerk seasoning, because I just like to watch how much salt I use. And I figure the stronger seasoning, you don't want to miss an opportunity to put it in, so I think the sooner the better. But this is just about ready. It's already ready. So I'm gonna microwave the chardonnaise and get started on the beans. So just cover it and So just cover it, keep it on low. Just gonna open this can. And I'll put these in. Like 2.5 minutes. So you can just pour the water off in here. That way it won't be so messy. And then put some beans on. That looks good. And just let them warm up. You can see that the beans getting cooked up, and at this point you can add the pork rinds if you want. So I have a bunch of pork rinds. You can leave them big or you can crush them smaller, however you want to do it. That looks good. And just mix it up. Next I have these taco shells. See how many I have. This is all left over. So about 4 and 5 taco shells. Okay, so I have 5 taco shells, and I'll be filling each one with some of the soup mix and some of the beans. So let's get started on that. So I'll put the beans in first. And then I'll put the potato and cheese mixture in. And I'll get this closer. Then I'll bake them until they're golden brown. So here's what I have so far. Just fill them how you like. Bake them for probably 15 minutes and we'll be back. Let's give this a try. Those are really good tacos. So much flavor. So this recipe was pretty easy. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try it. Leave your comments down below. Like, share, and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, leave those down below. And I'll see you guys again soon on my Son de Fromp. Thank you guys again for joining me. And see you soon. Bye-bye.